Hi guys, this is Corso at the Review Tech channel. Today we're going to be doing a video about these two speakers. On this side we have the JAMBOX MINI, and this one you can buy it on Best Buy for around $129.99. And on this side right here we have our Philips SoundShooter, and this one you can get it for around $35 on Walmart. We're going to be doing this video so you guys can compare and see if you guys can go and pay $35 for a speaker that is going to perform well, or you have to actually go and pay $129 to get a really good speaker. So the measurement is right here. I'm going to stay quiet and I'm going to reset it right now so you guys can see what the result is going to be right here. Alright guys, so the sound was coming from the JAMBOX MINI and our measurement is 105 decibels. So we're going to go ahead right now and switch it to the Philips and see what is our result on the Philips. Alright, so we're connected. We're going to go ahead and play the same song, and I'm going to go ahead and reset it. Alright guys, so as you can see, our Philips is performing a lot better. Well, not a lot better, a little bit better with 106. So the difference between $129 and $35 is nothing. Actually, this one, it performs a little better than this one. And for the price, this is the clear winner right here, guys. So if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. And I see you in the next episode of the Review Tech channel. Bye.